Alright, this is what I got going on for 2025 for MoStudios. So, September right now, I'm gonna kick things back up in October to finish Mo Foods and hopefully wrap it up in December. Going into 2025, I'm gonna maintain Mo Foods and promote it, push for that, right? Get those 3,000 fans that I'm hoping really value my app or get value out of my app and are willing to subscribe to it. Some projects that I have in mind is Honeycomb. So I'm building a bunch of projects, and I already have a bunch of apps. I'm not going to call them projects, products that are already up on the App Store, and I'm going to go into the web now. And if you haven't heard of V0, it's great. It's like an AI. It's made by Vercel, the same company that built Next.js. And it's basically like an AI component thing. Like it creates UI components for you using Tailwind and Shad CN. Really cool tool. So the whole point of Honeycomb, I was just going to be internally. I was like, I don't even think about making this SaaS, but as I'm like thinking about it, drawing it out, I'm like, oh, this could be a SaaS. So the reason why I like V0 is because I can visualize this thing, and basically it's a way for me to like collect feedback and know what projects I should work on or shift my focus to. So I get feedback. People, users can report bugs. I get analytics, and it'd be really cool if I had like an AI that was able to, not there, I think it was the same one. It'd be really cool if I had an AI that could like tell me where I should focus. It's kind of loud in here. I'm gonna hold the microphone this one. So the user, it's so funny, like it's mad loud in here, and one of the things I was talking about was I need a cafe where I can like work until 2 a.m. Well, I guess these places aren't the best for recording. Well, I don't know. Nobody's really complained yet. So, but people can submit feedbacks. Well, I can see activities, so they can see what I'm working on and see what the progress is. So y'all can like see, oh, Mo's working on this feature, or I can see like everyone's reporting about a bug, and the AI can tell me like, hey, you're getting a lot of feedback for this feature, or a lot of requests for this feature. You should shift your focus there. But hey, you should check out your app Mo Money because people are reporting about a bug. So it'd be really nice to have that kind of analytics going on right there. Cali is an app I really want to build. It's basically an AI calendar you can talk to. So you can tell it to make time. You can sync all your calendars on one calendar, talk to the AI, and tell it to make time for the things you want to do, like hobbies and going to the gym. So this isn't another booking app to book your appointment and stuff. Like there's already plenty of those. I need an app where I can manage my time and focus on the things I want to do with the people I want to do it with. So you can like share calendars. You can see who's available on a certain day and send a request. Be like, hey, you want to hang out? Or it's an AI powered calendar, so the AI would be like, hey, I noticed you and Timmy are free on this Tuesday evening. You want to do something? Or you could say, yo, here's everything I got going on. Please, find time for me to go to the gym 3 days a week and do this and that, right? So here's an example of a conversation happening with the calendar. You can pause the video and read that, but I'm gonna keep going. So that's that, and that's what this calendar looks like. So make time for the gym or whatever. Make time, whatever, and boom, will pop up something like that. All right. Pretty cool, and V0 gives you all the code for that. All right, and the quick one I'm building is when I was job hunting, I had an Excel sheet, and I was like, let me just turn this to a web app. Originally, it was supposed to be an iOS app called MoJobs, but MoJobs is now going to be a web app, and it was going to be like cheap, like $1.99 a month, $11.99 for a yearly subscription or whatever. But just a way to track your job postings, things like that. So those are some of the projects I got going on. The Honeycomb app is kind of similar to Uploady. I know about this app for years. Haven't used it, but the founder is on YouTube, and I watched a few of his YouTube videos. And when I thought of it, I was like, wait, didn't that guy already make one? And I'm like, so I went to Uploady, and yeah, it's kind of similar. If I go to demo. Let's see, open demo. Yeah, so you can like see what's in progress, what's planned. Some people have done so you can like see what bugs and roadmaps and things like that. right? It's really cool. This would be really useful. So I'm like, I need to build my own version, and I need AI to just tell me what to do, like track this stuff and be like, yo, shift your focus here, right? Instead of me looking at it manually. So that's what I'm going to build after MoJobs. Another one is Mark Liu. If you don't know who Mark Liu is, he's kind of like another Peter Levels. And if you don't know who Peter Levels is, well, basically these two make money off on the internet. So he makes $60K a month off Ship Fast. Peter Levels is known for not digital nomads, Nomad List, which is basically a website for nomads to like find places to work at and stuff like that. So his project is similar. This guy's project, Mark Liu, is similar. His project that he has is this thing, Insido, and people use it. I haven't used it, but the website looks nice. The UI looks nice. I went on someone's website that used this and was like showing what they were working on. It's really nice and simple, and I don't want it. A part of me wants to use upvoting these for inspiration, but I kind of want to steer away and just go in building my version, right? But I do like his colors and stuff like that, and really nice, and it's free, so it's like, how do you compete with that? But even Honeycomb won't be that well. I don't know yet. But yeah, those are a few projects I got going on. There's a few other ones on MoStudios I haven't got into, like Mo Money I didn't get to. I want to go back to the Verse apps, Verse Audio. Full House was another one. There's a few other ones in my Notion notes. And then, so as I take this little short break, I'm still going to be coding. Like, it's a break from Mo Foods and a break from working really hard on my ideas. So I'm going to be building a simple iOS app called Mo Gains. I've been going to the gym, and I need a way to like see my progress visually. It's going to be a really fun, simple app. And I'm going to monetize it because now we're going to start making money, and I'm using the skills that I learned with the Revenue Cat hackathon to add in-app purchases. So that's what I got. And the last thing I got to mention is I got to ship faster. I got to build things and get things out. So, I got like a bunch of repositories. A lot of them are private, but some of the repositories I never got into are the templates. So I'm tired of like redoing authentication with Firebase and iOS. So I'm just gonna make a template for that so I can just reuse it all the time. Those will be public so people can play around with them and also use them. And I got some friends who are going to help me with that because they can also use them. All right. So yeah, I got a few templates I want to get into and do that. But it's a mix of web and iOS next year. But Mo Foods got to get wrapped up this year. That's for sure. All right. I think that's all I got for y'all. That's what's coming next year. It's going to be more building. It's going to be more full stack web development, full stack iOS. And even though, I'm playing around with Supabase, I'm playing around with Firebase, I think it might be cheaper to start learning how to host these things on my own, like DigitalOcean, get a droplet, or maybe not an EC2 instance on AWS, but a droplet on DigitalOceans, or managing my own database, like an SQLite database or something. I don't know, my SQL database, and host it up there. Just any way to like lower the cost of these things, all right, and do things and just handle it myself, but still using some tools because I don't want to manage sensitive data. Like, I don't think I'll build a micro SaaS or a small SaaS where I'm like handling sensitive documents and stuff like that for you to store. It'll always be like fun tools and useful tools that will make money and also bring value to the people who find in like, hey, this solves my problem. All right, so that's what's coming in MoStudios 2025, and then I think it's time to get into the Verse series in 2026, along with some games and stuff like that. Like, I really want to build the Leche Bros. Like, I really want to build that VR game, and I have a few other games like Mo Hostiles, Mo Muffins 2, maybe. Yeah, a bunch of things. But these are all fun to build, but I gotta make money. I want to make my own money, and yeah, if you've seen I Just Need 1,000 Fans, you know what I'm after. All right, y'all, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next year. I'll still be posting progress on more foods, but things will kind of be slowing down, so I can really just dial in and get that done. All right, catch up.